In this video, we are going to unbox a Raspberry Pi board and inform you about some of my mistakes while purchasing this product. Here we have a Raspberry Pi 4 Model P 4 GB RAM variant I have purchased online. Some of its features are written back of its cover. So let's see what's inside. Here we have the board we are expecting. This board has two USB 3.0 ports and two USB 2.0 ports. In addition to that, two HDMI ports for displaying output from the board, and GPIO pins for robotics and other applications, IoT applications. It has a C port which we use to power it up, and the box contains some miscellaneous stuffs like user manual. In addition to that, I have also bought 32 GB SD card for storing voice and program, which is essential for the working of Pi. And I also bought an HDMI cable to interface monitor to the Pi, which in my case was not necessary. We can also view a Raspberry Pi screen in our phones or laptops via Wi-Fi, which I will be doing another video. And I also bought a 5 volt 3 ampere power supply for the Raspberry Pi, which is an official build, which is a lot helpful in the proper working of Raspberry Pi. If you're buying a Raspberry Pi, please also buy some cooling accessories with it, which in my case I haven't bought any. Good cooling will ensure the longevity of the product. Now let's power it up and see what happens. If the green LED is blinking, that means that the Pi is booting up. That's all for today, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.